Hello, everyone. Today, I have a fascinating story for you. It's about a boy who was lazy, yet surprisingly smart. By the end, we'll see how laziness can be defeated when the reason is strong enough. And while we listen to this tale, we'll also practice new English words and sentences. So, stay with us until the end. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green fields and quiet hills, there lived a boy named Ayan. He lived with his parents in a small house at the edge of the village. Ayan was known everywhere as a very lazy boy. Every day, his father took him to the rice fields. Ayan's only job was to chase away the birds that tried to eat their crops. Most boys ran around with sticks or slingshots. But Ayan didn't want to move too much. Instead, he came up with his own idea. He fixed tall wooden poles in the field and tied ropes between them. With one small pull, the ropes shook and scared the birds. This way, Ayan could lie in the shade, relax, and still finish his job. His father worried. If I fall sick, how will Ayan manage? But since the birds stayed away, his father never scolded him. Then one hot summer during a long dry season, his father became very sick. For the first time, Ayan had to care for the whole field. He tried, but he wasn't used to hard work. Soon, many of the crops began to wither and dry. One night, Ayan sat under the stars, feeling helpless. Why didn't I ever try harder? He thought. Now my family's hope is fading. The next morning, he heard a soldier in the village announcing a royal competition at the king's palace. The prize? A chest full of gold. Ayan's eyes lit up. This could save my family, he thought, and at once, he decided to join. The villagers laughed loudly. Ayan, the laziest boy in the village, competing against strong men? Impossible. But Ayan ignored their words and set out. His parents weren't sure he could win, but they hoped the journey would change him. 3 days later, the competition began. Dozens of participants stood near a wide, sparkling lake. Most were strong and well-trained. Ayan grew nervous. How can I beat them? He wondered. The rule was simple. The first 3 people to cross the lake would qualify for the next round. At the signal, everyone jumped in and swam with all their might. But Ayan stood still, thinking carefully. I'm not a fast swimmer. If I try this way, I'll lose, he told himself. Suddenly, he had an idea. He ran into the forest, gathered broken branches, and quickly tied them together into a small raft. Using another branch as a paddle, he pushed off into the water. The swimmers grew tired, but Ayan paddled steadily. Slowly but surely, he passed many of them. By the end, Ayan finished third and qualified for the final round. The crowd was amazed. The lazy boy had made it through. The next day came the last challenge. Each contestant was given a huge wooden block. The task: push the block 1 kilometer to the finish line. But they could pick only one tool to help them. The first contestant grabbed a rope and began pulling hard. The second used a lever to move his block inch by inch. Ayan did not rush. He studied the tools carefully. I cannot win with muscles, he thought. I must win with my mind. Finally, he picked up a small knife. The crowd gasped. A knife? How will that help? But Ayan began carving. Bit by bit, he shaped his block into a large, round ball. After an hour of hard work, he pushed, and to everyone's surprise, the ball rolled forward easily. While the others struggled with heavy blocks, Ayan rolled his ball smoothly down the road. Step by step, he overtook them and crossed the finish line first. The crowd cheered loudly. Ayan had won. The lazy boy had become a hero. His cleverness and determination saved his family and proved everyone wrong. This story shows us that even lazy people can do great things when they find a strong reason. For Ryan, it was love for his family. For you, it might be your dreams, your loved ones, or proving others wrong. So, whenever you feel lazy, remember, find a powerful goal. That goal will give you the strength to work hard, and along the way, you'll discover your own hidden power, just like Ayan did. Thank you for listening to this story. Keep practicing English, keep learning, and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next story.